Hey adventurers and preparedness enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 142 PCS Survival Kit by PUSFAC, a powerhouse of survival and emergency tools that every outdoor enthusiast or safety-conscious individual should consider. Whether you're heading into the wild or just want to be ready for anything life throws your way, this kit is designed to keep you prepared, safe, and self-sufficient. This kit isn't just a random assortment of tools. It's a thoughtfully curated collection of 142 items designed to cover a wide range of survival scenarios. Here's a closer look at some of the key components that make this kit stand out. Multi-tool axe and tactical knife. These heavy-duty tools are essential for chopping wood, preparing kindling, and other tasks you might encounter in the wilderness. The tactical knife is perfect for cutting rope, food preparation, or self-defense, while the multi-tool axe provides versatility with additional functionalities like a hammer and wrench. Fire-starting tools. Fire is crucial for survival, providing warmth, the ability to cook, and a way to signal for help. The kit includes a fire starter that works in all weather conditions, ensuring you can ignite a flame even when it's wet or windy. Comprehensive first aid kit. Accidents happen, especially in the wild. This kit includes 106 pieces of first aid supplies, from adhesive bandages to a splint roll. You'll also find scissors, tweezers, safety pins, and antiseptic wipes, all essential for treating injuries on the go. Whether it's a minor cut or something more serious, this kit has the tools to help you manage the situation until you can get professional medical help. Fishing gear. If you find yourself in a survival situation for an extended period, sourcing food becomes critical. This kit comes with a compact fishing set, including hooks, lines, and sinkers, so you can catch fish to sustain yourself. Navigation and signaling. Getting lost in the wilderness is a common fear, but this kit has you covered with a reliable compass and a dual-tube whistle. The compass helps you navigate your way to safety, while the whistle allows you to signal for help if you're in distress. These tools are compact yet powerful additions to your survival arsenal. The PUSFAC Survival Kit is housed in a high-quality MAL pouch. Made from 600D nylon, the pouch is tough enough to withstand harsh conditions and rough handling. It's water-resistant, protecting your gear from the elements, and compact enough to carry on your belt, attached to your backpack, or store in your vehicle without taking up too much space. One of the standout features of this kit is its versatility. It's perfect not only for campers and hikers, but also for a variety of other situations. Car emergencies. Keep this kit in your car for those unexpected roadside issues. Whether it's a flat tire at night, needing to jumpstart your car, or dealing with minor injuries, this kit ensures you're not left helpless. Home emergencies. Natural disasters like earthquakes or hurricanes can strike without warning. Having this kit on hand means you're ready to handle immediate threats until help arrives. Outdoor adventures. From fishing trips to hunting expeditions, this kit provides all the tools and supplies you might need in the great outdoors. Its comprehensive nature makes it an excellent gift for anyone who loves to explore the wilderness. If you're looking for a gift that's both thoughtful and practical, this survival kit is an ideal choice. Whether it's for Father's Day, Christmas, or a birthday, this kit is a gift that shows you care about their safety and well-being. It's not just for hardcore survivalists. Anyone who enjoys outdoor activities will appreciate having this level of preparedness at their fingertips. At just under $50, the PUSFAC 142 PCS Survival Kit offers tremendous value. It's more than just a collection of tools, it's peace of mind. Whether you're an avid camper, a weekend hiker, or someone who likes to be prepared for emergencies, this kit is a reliable companion that ensures you're ready for anything. The compact and portable design, combined with the extensive range of tools and first aid supplies, makes it a standout in the survival kit market. Don't wait for the unexpected to catch you off guard. Get this kit and stay prepared. You will find Amazon's link in the description of this video.